Bloody beautiful valley, eh? Well, out and about again, down at Telly Point at the moment, or Telegraph Point. Found a wharf I've never seen before. But yeah, bloody beautiful, glassy weather. Absolute glass, the old river. I'll check this out a while before we get moving, but yeah, bloody nice. Yeah, so what the plan is today, I'm going to head from here up to Comboyne. I'm going to go out and try and find this Comboyne rock. Don't get in there, climb up top, and then go from Comboyne rock through Comboyne, and then yeah, from Toms Creek Road down the mountain, and got a campsite booked. So that is the plan. Alrighty, pretty well leave the old river, head my way out towards Comboyne. No straight lines here. Up the hill we go. Bit of a windy old pass. Comboyne, what is it, 27? Gets you up the top of, probably gets up about 600 metres, I think. Beautiful. Should be it. We'll find out. Still a big dairy farm sort of industry up here. Macadamia's taken up a lot, but a few of the farmers are still running cows. Plenty of them. Just nice up here though. Different world. What a view, eh? Alright. Still going up. Damn. I can see all the way to the ocean. Well, looking straight at the ocean. That's amazing. And Queen's Lake, I think it is, down there near Laurelton. Crazy views from up here. But this Comboyne rock, it has amazing views. I haven't been up for a couple of years, but I remember the views from the top were bloody very impressive. Hey, the bloody road's good. She's up and down, but she's good. They must have recently done it. I can still see the track marks from the bloody roller. So I'm only a couple of k's now from it. Phew, bloody beautiful in here though, eh? It's just, I'm pretty sure it's pretty intimidating to look at, but you look through the gap in the trees up here, you'll see a rock up the top there. Pretty sure that's where I'm going. That is crazy if it is, and I'm pretty sure it is. So where's this turn off? Can't be too far. Somewhere down here. Alright, I reckon this is it. Down in there. Alright. See what the road's like, but so far so good. Alright. Alright, see if we can just sit down doing this. Too easy. Just lazy. Lazy sitting down. Love the torque on this bike, absolutely amazing. Just brilliant amount of torque. Alright, let's go check her out. Bike's up, I'm up. That's a pretty good hill. It's steep, but not crazy steep, but problem is it's loose. Yeah, that's all I got. You could probably get a two-wheel drive up here if it was grippy, but it's just, yeah, no, she's too loose. Fun on the bike though. Let's climb and watch the world unfold. Damn. Yep. Crazy views. All directions, crazy view. Oh, and warm up here too. Alright. Well, that is what you call a view 360. But we will know a better way to check out this place than with a drone, so I'll send the drone out. going to make my way out of here. Going to head back towards Comboyne, grab a feed. It's only about 12 k's, I think, into town. That way, sort of. Yeah, and grab a feed and yeah, make our way down Tom's Creek Road to the campsite. Should be good. Probably about another 40, 50 k's from here, so plenty of time. Right, let's make a move. All right. Yeah, the only sort of sketchy stuff is this, just that it's loose. I hear the brakes locking up all the time. Other than that, it's fine. This is probably the steepest bit. Nah. But yeah, nah, nice, beautiful lookout. Be great to be up here at either sunrise or late afternoon, but that's all right. It's fine. Woohoo! Alright, so we get out of this forest and head our way back through that sort of open farm country again. Through the dairy farms. How do you find a nice takeaway? What a view, eh? Alright, into Comboyne. Back on the tar. Woohoo! Yeah, nice quiet town, this one again. Up in the hills. The nice cool hills. Pretty well just got I think it's got a little club, servo, little community centre and some takeaway shops. I reckon there's a fair few platypus in that little creek. Sit there one day and try and find a few. Alright. Let's go, Tom's Creek Road. Drop down the mountain and get to this campsite. Pretty well down the hill in a minute. But look at these views, mate. They're bloody amazing. They'll get even better in a minute. Whew. Wow, eh? Top of the world. There's some good drop-offs on this road. pretty well, plenty of holes to fall in. Just one of them ones, you just go slow, enjoy the scenery. Pretty cruisy spot. Bloody beautiful valley, eh? So I've got about another 30 k's to go through that valley. Get down to where I'm staying tonight. Slow down. Lock her up. No ABS on this thing. Bloody cool way you see the road all the way. Oh, what's this one, Phil? Fucking end up in the ditch. Do not want to end up in the ditch. Alright, pretty well down the bottom. She's not flying real fast, but she's still running. Pretty little creek. Might go up a little bit up there. Alright, head down the water. Bloody nice and clear little creek. So this is Tom's Creek. It's yeah, just one of them pretty little waterways. I think about half of it's spring fed. I'm pretty sure this little creek over here is the one we just went past. And that is always running, that one. A beautiful little swimming hole. Bloody nice. Keep on moving. 26 kilometers and I'm where I'm supposed to be camping. so long campsite, all packed. No, good fire last night, it was bloody good. Slept good, sun was right there, warmed me up in the morning. Got down to 7 degrees, so she's a little bit chilly. Put these glasses away, I'm going to lose them. Yeah, nice quiet little spot. Some other dude camped just up there, but didn't make a noise. Whew. Alright. Hopefully the bike's not in the way of the gate. Find out. Oh, 4 inches. Done. Alright, how far back to the highway? Couple of Ks. Yeah, so this Ellenborough Reserve, it's got free camping, but to me it just gets too crowded. Like this, yeah, you could find spots that aren't totally crowded, but yeah, it just gets too many people for my liking. But certainly good for an overnighter. Although some people look like they live here. But yeah, for an overnighter it's probably fine. Alright, we'll go in here and we'll walk down to the water. Yeah, it's not a bad spot. Seems pretty quiet. No hooning carrying on. But yeah, the river's literally just down there. I'm just looking at it now. Beautiful waterway. Alright, go down and check out this water. The old Hastings River. It's a nice system, runs out of Port Macquarie. And yeah, just one of the big North Coast rivers. She's running. A little track down here. This tree has endured many a flood. Look at it, completely folded back, yet somehow it remains. Wow. Yep, it's one tough root ball. You see all the rocks jammed in it. There's all rocks just inside the roots. These trees are bloody tough. This is the casuarina. Tough ass tree. Alright, out of here. Down to Kindy Bridge. Got a few people here. You can see the travellers on the highway just sweeping through, and you can sort of see the ones that want to live here. Ooh. It's an amazing old bridge, I reckon. I'll jump out and have a look at it. Beautiful structure. Alright guys, I'm pretty well going to wrap it up. Tap out from the bridge. Fair way to go to get home. Cruise back all the back country, and yeah, I will see you on the next one. No idea where, but yeah, probably just a local ride. We'll see how we go for time. Camping if I've got enough time. But either way, I will catch you on the next one. Cheers guys.